Meaning of horseradish.
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 Horseradish. Horseradish is a perennial plant with a strong, pungent flavor and aroma that is commonly used as a condiment or spice in cuisine. The plant's roots are grated or ground into a paste and used in sauces, dressings, and spreads. Horseradish contains compounds that give it its fiery taste, as well as various health benefits, including antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. It is also high in vitamin C, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. Horseradish has been used for centuries and continues to be a popular flavoring agent and medicinal herb around the world.